I tested eBay, StockX, and GOAT. I bought 3 pairs of sneakers, each one from one platform, StockX, eBay, and GOAT, and we're going to determine which is the best platform to buy sneakers. Let's get straight into this one by one. We're going to go ahead and put this down, and we're going to start off one box at a time. This is eBay. Make sure you guys smash that thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe if you are new to the channel. Let's get into this unboxing. So I have my phone pulled up here to the order, and eBay took the longest to come in by far. So I purchased this sneaker on September 25th, and it was delivered to me on October 7th. That is quite a bit of time, especially compared to StockX and GOAT for this order. So I did wind up paying $325 and $14.95 for a grand total of $339.95 for this sneaker. I don't think I would have gotten it really cheaper on StockX or GOAT, so that is nice. There was no fees or anything like that. That was the total price, and they were shipped to me. Shipped to the buyer, meaning the seller shipped to eBay on September 29th. So it took 4 days for the seller to actually ship the shoe out. And that is going to be a huge determining factor, if you ask me, it's going to be, of these platforms, because these platforms are the middleman service. So it really determines, we'll talk about it later, how fast the seller ships out. So let's get into this eBay pair. Let's make sure the sneakers are, in fact, 100% authentic, dead stock, good condition, the box, everything how it's supposed to be. Because this does have the authenticity guarantee. When you're buying on eBay, you want to make sure that the blue check is there, and it was on this. So you guys can see we do have the eBay everything, the box, and here it is. We got the eBay card right here. Very nice. Let's take a look. So right here, we do have the box. And I do want to let you guys know that throughout this video, we are going to be unboxing a bunch of Travis Scotts. Everything in this video is a Travis Scott sneaker. Why did I do this? So that I can complete the collection. What do I mean by that? Every single Travis Scott Jordan Retro that has released. I'm not including the 33. I don't count that. But every other Jordan Retro from Travis Scott, I now own. Fragment highs, name it. I have it. So let's get into this. This was one of the pairs I'm missing, and you guys will see another pair that I am missing that is similar to this. So this is a size 11. These were purchased from eBay. You guys, let's take a look. I'm excited. So right here we do have the dust bag in this brown, cactus brown color. You do have the nice dust bag with the Jumpman and the Cactus Jack branding on the other side as well. And let's take a look. Right here we do have the British khaki Travis Scott Air Jordan 6s. Ooh, retail was $250 on this sneaker alone. So I basically paid a little bit over retail. Tax, shipping, that's basically it. Not too much over, so I'll take that. That's definitely a W. And resale's not too high on these. And the suede is so nice, man. It's so hairy to the touch. You do get some extra laces. We got the crimson and some brown, and then you do have the British khaki laces on them. These are very, very nice. I like them a lot. This is a dope colorway of the Air Jordan 6, and the Air Jordan 6 is the sneaker that one of my first sneakers ever that got me into shoes. So the 6 does have a big play for me personally, and yeah, Travis Scott absolutely killed it. So you do have the eBay tag on the shoe. We do have the eBay tag. There it is. Let's scan it. I do want to see what pops up. I'm curious, so I'm going to go on the camera app and let's give this a scan. Let's see what happens, if anything at all, when you scan this. Let's see. I'm curious. So it does pop up a link. It popped up, and let's see what happens when you scan the tag. Oh, wow. Checked by eBay. Authentic guarantee. Your item was authenticated, and there's the whole order. That is nice. There's the whole order, size 11 right there. There they are, authenticated by eBay. New in box, authentication date. That's crazy nice, and you can easily list your item if you want to sell it right there as well. So eBay has the tag on lock. This tag works, it scans, it's on lock. We'll find out about StockX's later on. Keep on watching, but right here we do have the British khaki Travis Scott Air Jordan 6s. This did take the longest eBay took the longest to get the sneakers to me. We'll go ahead and talk more about eBay later on in the video. Let's get into the next pair. This is a straight fire pair. I'm happy to see these and have them in the collection. The British Khaki, Travis Scott, Air Jordan 6. Let me know if you guys like these. Let me know they're a cop or a drop. Let's get into the next unboxing because this was a W. W purchase in my opinion, even though it took a little bit, the longest of the 3 platforms, still a W purchase. And yeah, definitely happy to have them, add them to the collection. Let's get to the next one. GOAT is up next. So let's take a look at the order and let's see how long it took GOAT to get these shoes to me. So once again, purchased on September 25th. Every shoe was purchased one after the other, right after the other, same exact time. You know, it takes a few minutes to switch between apps. But other than that, right after the other, same exact date and everything at night. 9/25, September 25th. And these were purchased for, let's see, $414, $14.75 for shipping, $428.75 is my total because there's no tax here in New Jersey. And when did I get the shoe? I have to click on the tracking number to see when I got the shoe. It was delivered to me on October 2nd. October the 2nd. And I purchased them on the 25th of September. So let's see how many days. The 25th, a week on the dot. Pretty solid, not bad. Let's take a look at the GOAT order. Let's see what I got. Once again, we know it's a Travis Scott. I'm completing the collection of every Travis Scott Jordan there is, except for the 33. But I do have the Jumpman Jacks. I have it all, guys. It all. I am completing them all. You guys are seeing the last 3 that I was missing. So for now, we are getting new releases, of course. I will be adding them as they come out into my collection, of course. But let's see, what else do we have? What is in this box from GOAT? Let's see. I'm excited. Right here we have the GOAT order. Let's see. We got the box, and it is, yes, here they are. Here is the box, and it is that olive color, as you guys can see. Almost looked a little black, but no, it's olive, definitely olive, and once again, size 11. There it is. Let's take a look. We do have the GOAT sticker there on the box, and let's see. We do have, there it is, the GOAT card. The GOAT card right there from GOAT, and let's take a look. So you do have the quality control sticker inside the box. And we have a bunch of tissue paper. And let's see the shoes. There they are, finally in my collection. This is one Travis Scott I haven't owned for some reason, but now I finally do. Here they are, the Jordan 6 Travis Scott Olive. Fire. One of the first, if not maybe the first olive Travis Scott. So yeah, these were definitely a must. Highest in the Room is when these released. That song, I absolutely love it. Definitely a must. So yeah, these are a must. Absolute must. GOAT. Very nice. Here they are. The Travis Scott. I cannot get enough of the Jordan 6. I love the Jordan 6, guys. I really do. My one complaint about them is the insole. Under the insole, I should say. Other than that, it's a great pair of shoes. And here they are, the medium olive. The olive 6s. Very nice. Ooh. Very nice. Awesome. They look good. Everything looks good. They are, in fact, brand new. Yeah, everything looks good. Everything looks good. No complaints. Size 11. Good to go with the Air Jordan 6. Ooh, very nice. Very happy to have these in hand. I can't wait to wear these. These are fire and definitely a very nice shoe. And yeah, they match the hoodie. I believe this was released together. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, definitely very, very nice. Boom. That Nike Air hitting on the back. Cactus Jack logo on the back of the other. You do got the extra laces. Good to go. No complaints here from this GOAT order. My only thing about GOAT is that you're not able to see the pictures when you're buying brand new. StockX as well. eBay, you can see the pictures. We'll talk more about this later on. Keep watching the video, and boom, we got the Jordan 6. Very nice from GOAT. No complaints. Took a week a week to come in. I do think I might have gotten them a little bit cheaper, maybe on StockX, but maybe a few dollars. You know, it's one of those things where you got to look at the prices and then, you know, do you want to spend the extra $3 or $4 type thing. That's basically what it was with this shoe. So no complaints. I don't care about spending an extra $3 or $4. So not a big deal. And yeah, definitely a great pair of Travis Scotts to add to the collection. And yeah, everything looks good. I'm happy. And let's get into the last pair. And you guys know where this last pair is from. We're doing eBay. We just did GOAT. Where's the last pair? You guys know. Let's get into the last and final pair. And in my opinion, it's definitely the most rare, the most hype, and the most expensive pair. So let's get to this last and final Travis Scott. You guys know where it's from. Let's do it. It's StockX time. Good old StockX. Let's find out what this order was. How much was it? How long did it take? I am very shocked on this. I'll be honest with you on this one. Shout out to StockX on this one. I am shocked. So they did have the best price for this shoe by far, because everywhere else it was over $1,000. I paid $897.76 for this shoe. The purchase price was $815. Processing fee $67.81. Shipping $14.95. I didn't have any coupons or anything, and no tax here in Jersey on shoes. Purchase once again on September the 25th. Same thing as everything else, as every other order. Boom, you guys can see, there it is. Purchased on the 25th, just like the others. And let's see, when did they come in? I am shocked. These came in on Tuesday, October the 1st. This was the first order to come in. So October the 2nd for GOAT and October the 1st for StockX. 6 days it took StockX. I am shocked. This was the first order. So StockX was the first one, then GOAT, and eBay by far the last one, like an extra 5 or 6 days after StockX, which is crazy. So eBay took the longest and StockX was the quickest. I think I know why. I think I know what the determining factor is on how fast you're going to get your shoes from these platforms. So we'll talk more about that, but let's go ahead and let's take a look. What did I buy for so much money? You know, $900, $897 from StockX. This is the most rare Travis Scott that released to the public, pretty much, to be honest. One of them. I'll say that. As far as Jordans, it's probably the most. As far as Nikes, probably not. But as far as Jordans that released to the public, yeah. Very, very expensive for no reason. I mean, I get it. It's Travis, the hype and all. But I didn't want to buy the shoe. But I do have every other one. So I was like, you know what? I'll do it. It is what it is. We'll spend the money, bite the bullet. There it is. In a size 10.5. I can go 10.5 or an 11. It really don't matter for me. And here are the stickers and everything on the box. So we do have the brown box. And let's see. No, these are not the reverse. I'm sorry, the medium olives. These are not the medium olives. Don't worry. But boom, we do have the pink paper. And we do have the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low Golf. Yeah, I bought the Golf Air Jordan 1 Lows. I did it. I have every other Travis Scott Jordan 1 that exists that's released so far to the public. So I said, why not? I'll buy the Golf. At the end of the day, it is still wearable. You know, you do have the Golf tread on the bottom, but it's not that bad. I mean, it's there, but it's not too bad. It's not like spikes like it is on some off-white sneakers. So it's not too bad. It's still a wearable, casual wear shoe. You could still wear it casually, I'll be honest. Waterproof upper, which is nice. Definitely a bonus, a plus. Let's take a look at the other shoe. I'm happy, man. I'm happy. Here they are, the Travis Scott Golf Olive. Very nice. Very nice. Can't go wrong with this shoe. I like them a lot. I do. I like them. That's why I bought them. And the waterproof material, it's nice. And yeah, I mean, I don't play golf. I'm not a golfer. I don't know. But at the end of the day, it's still a Travis. It's still a Jordan 1. So I did want to add to the collection. And I got it from StockX for the cheapest price. They had the cheapest price online for this shoe that I could find. So a little less than $900. Basically $900, $3 shy. Let's go ahead and scan this StockX tag. I don't believe it's going to do anything. But we'll give it a shot. So we'll go ahead and open up the camera app, and let's get scanning this StockX QR code. I don't think it's going to do anything. eBay, you guys saw, was a W. It does pop up. Let's search it. And yeah, it doesn't take you to anything. Just Google with nothing there. So StockX, I wish they did, refer back to the order. It is a process to do that, but eBay does it. So StockX, I wish they would do it too. It would definitely help authenticate shoes as well. So it is what it is. But yeah, we got the golfs. We have every Travis Scott. Here's your extra laces. There they are. All the other laces are here. We have every Travis Scott now in the collection that has released so far to the public. Travis Scott Jordan, that is. I don't really care for every Nike, but every Jordan, yeah, I wanted every single Travis Scott Jordan. I own them all. Every one that's released. This wraps it up right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now, let's talk more, wrap this up. Let's talk more, a little bit more about the pros and cons about StockX, eBay, and GOAT. I hope you guys enjoyed so far. Smash that like button. And make sure you guys subscribe. I tested StockX, eBay, and GOAT, and StockX took the fastest and had the cheapest price for that sneaker. The one major determining factor on how fast you're going to get your order, how fast you're going to receive your sneakers, is really how fast the seller ships out. That's really what it determines, as well as location. So if the seller lives, in one part of the United States, they live East Coast, but you're in the West Coast, and StockX has a facility in the West Coast, they're going to ship it over to the West Coast to their facility, and then you'll receive it within usually a day or two because you're on the West Coast. So what happens is it takes longer, and then you all of a sudden get the shoe fast when StockX receives it. This is what happens if you live, let's just say, in the South. Well, StockX will have some facilities. You understand what I'm saying, guys. So that basically what it determines with each of these platforms. They do have multiple facilities, middleman services, and it really depends on location and how fast the seller is going to ship out your order. It really depends on what you personally want to do. Where do you want to shop? How do you want to shop? How much money do you want to spend on said shoe? What I personally do is go with the platform that has it for the cheapest price. Why? Because all three have the middleman service that personally I rely and trust on for the most part. Now, when you do get the sneakers in, what I like to do is still do your due diligence, still do your legit checks, make sure the shoes are good to go. But as far as StockX, eBay, and GOAT, you really can't go wrong with any of these buying platforms. If you guys like this video, maybe we'll go ahead and test selling on these platforms. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys smash that like button for me, hit that subscribe button, join the More family, comment down below your favorite pickup from this video. I have now completed the Travis Scott Air Jordan collection so far, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. We're always dropping that fire, straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.